Settle into a comfortable position and close your eyes, allowing yourself to be as relaxed as gentle stream flowing through a lush forest. Feel the weight of the world lift off your shoulders like a majestic eagle, soaring effortlessly through the endless sky. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, imagine the warmth of the sun radiating from within you, spreading through your entire body, like the comforting, soft and cozy blanket on a chilly evening. In this serene space, let go of any worries or tension, allowing them to evaporate like morning fog under the warm rays of the rising sun. Embrace the stillness within, just like a majestic mountain, grounded and unwavering as the world around you continues to flow. Feel the harmony and tranquility of nature embracing you, like a gentle breeze that touches your skin. Breathe a sense of renewal. Take a deep breath in and out. Allow your body to relax and let go any tension as you exhale. As you breathe, imagine yourself merging with nature's surroundings. A lush, peaceful meadow, tall trees, vibrant flowers, and a gentle stream flowing nearby. Absorb the beauty and tranquility of this moment and allow yourself to feel a sense of connection to this serene environment. Now, envision yourself becoming one with dew, forming on the grass. As you do, you experience a sense of purity and freshness, just like the morning itself. You are now a droplet of dew, embracing the essence of this fleeting moment. Feel the coolness and moisture on your skin, and let yourself to think into this sensation. As you become a part of dew, you can sense yourself being present on the grass or anywhere else where the dew finds its home. What does it feel like to be fluid dew? Embrace its state of purity and freshness, breathing the essence of dew and letting it flow through your entire being. Now, as the sun rises higher in the sky, a gentle transformation begins. The warmth of the sun reaches you, and you start to gradually you become lighter, rising effortlessly into the air. Feel the freedom and expansiveness as you join other water molecules, forming a gentle mist and a dance in the atmosphere above. From this cloud, you observe the world below. How is that to be a part of a cloud? You are in a different form but your essence remains unchanged. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale with the sensation as you're looking from above, embracing this shift in perspective while staying true to your core. Now, as the environment changes, the temperature cools and you begin to condense. You transform into a raindrop, preparing to descend. Feel the anticipation of the motion and change as you fall gracefully from the sky. As you land on the earth, you become rain, nourishing the land below. Embrace the feeling of giving and providing life to the surroundings. You are still the same essence, but now you flow, cascade, and fill the landscape with your presence. In this state, you join the flow of water, following the nature's course of streams and rivers. Feel the movement, the current guiding you along the path, while your essence remains the same. As your journey continues, you eventually reach the vastness of the ocean. Here you merged with ground body of water, connecting with other drops from distant land. How does it feel to be a part of something as big when your essence endures and you contribute to the rhythm of the ocean? Throughout this transformative process, following the change of the environment, you have embraced various forms, yet your essence has remained constant. Embrace the beauty of your adaptability while preserving your core identity. Take a moment to reflect on this journey of change and continuity. Feel the harmony of the natural cycle of change while retaining your unique essence. As you conclude this visualization, breathe deeply, carrying this newfound understanding of adaptability and essence with you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, feeling a sense of peace and connection with the world around you. Carry this essence with you, embracing the beauty of change while staying true to yourself, to your unchanging essence.